Guys, what's up? It's Mark. How's everybody doing? Sorry about the glare. Hope you guys can see this picture well because there's a lot of sun coming in right there. Just updating you. I'm not dead. I'm still alive. Anthony, big shout out to you, bud. I got your comment. I just haven't had time to respond. I've been bouncing around playing daddy duty, building trucks, and I got my full-time guy Noah back in action. So we're rock and rolling, ready to roll. With that said, I got a few new trucks coming up, including my wife's Escalade that's going to be listed here. There it is right there outside my window. Probably later on this week. It's a 2016 Escalade, 60,000 miles. White exterior, black interior. White on black. Sounds kind of racial, doesn't it? Ha, ha. Just kidding. Anyway, super nice caddy. With that said, guys, check this one out. This is a 2006 Dodge Ram 2500 Mega Cab 5.9 liter Cummins Turbo Diesel SLT. Previously owned. I sold it. Originally owned it a year ago or two. Sold it to my buddy CJ, good buddy of mine. It's not in right now. That's why I have the video of this right here where we're doing some fuel upgrades to it. New in-tank pump and a few other different things. We're going to get finished up on the truck, but it should be ready here shortly. I want to give you a preview real quick. Super clean truck inside and out. It's got a set of Nitto tear grapplers on it. A set of 18x9 Raceline wheels. It's the big boy. It's the Mega Cab. Tires don't stick out that far too much. Anthony, check it out. Can't stand next to it because I'm not 6 foot tall anymore next to my computer screen. There it is. There it is. There's the underside. It's got a rough country suspension lift kit, dual steering stabilizer shocks. Interior quadruple pod gauges, all digital and analog too. White face gauges. You've got your exhaust brake right there, or your something. I forget what it is. Cloth interior. There's the door jamb. Why isn't that picture rotated 360 degree or 180 like I wanted it to? 2, 3. There you go. Engine bay right there. 5.9 liter Cummins diesel, like I said. And why isn't that picture? Golly, who puts these pictures in, Noah? Come on, man. Edge tuner system right there. Attitude with juice. Bed's in great shape, and there you go. But hope you guys like it. Just a preview real quick because I got a lot going up this week. And this one shall be listed shortly. This is Mark signing out. You can see my desk. I'm organized, but it's a mess. I'm trying to get past this day today. Got this one to take care of. Oh, this one too. Check this out. Guys, look at this. Holy shit. Joe, I'm way behind on crap. Good Lord. Haven't even done videos on most of the stuff yet. But guys, look at this one. That's one that's coming soon too. That's a 06 F250 Harley Davidson edition. Texas to the max truck. Garage kept. I mean, they framed the bed rails, everything. There's no rust on that truck whatsoever. So that's coming soon too. And we will go see. Oh, I got my, look at that. Got my Crown Royal. It was a gift. Haven't even opened it. Not really a big fan of Apple, but whatever. Gonna get tanked soon. They got this van coming up soon. And what else? A few other ones. Stay tuned, guys. This is Mark signing out. Hope everybody's doing great. And remember,
don't eat yellow snow.